Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify user data with Segment, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin verifying user data with Segment, log in to your Segment account. Navigate to the Sources section in the left sidebar. Select the source you wish to verify user data for. Choose the Settings tab within the selected source. Scroll down to find the Data Plan section. Here, you can specify the schemas for your user data. Make sure you define the necessary properties and types for each data point. To verify the data, click on the Validation tab. In this section, you will see the validation rules apply to your data. It's important to create specific rules that match your defined schema. After creating your rules, proceed to the Debugger tab. In the Debugger tab, you can send test events to check the validation. Input a test user event to see if it passes or fails the validation rules. Observe the validation results displayed in real time. If an event fails, review the error messages to understand the issue. Adjust your data or validation rules as needed based on the feedback. Once satisfied with the validation, you can start using Segment to process real user data. This ensures that the user data flowing into your analytics tools is accurate and reliable. Regularly revisit the validation rules as your data needs evolve. This will help maintain data integrity for your ongoing projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.